In this video, we'll see how to resolve some of the common issues that occur while using the digital signature feature in the Windows app of Zoho Books. Before we get started, please ensure that you have enabled digital signature for your organization. To do this, log into your Zoho Books account. Click the gear icon at the top right corner and select Signature. Enable the toggle button here. After enabling, the modules for which you can apply digital signature will be listed. You can select them, and you can also choose if you would like to make digital signature mandatory for all transactions. Once done, click Save. You have successfully enabled digital signature for your organization. After enabling digital signature, you need to complete a few additional steps to ensure a smooth and hassle-free signing. Number 1. Connect the digital signature token to your device. In case you don't have a token, you can purchase it from an authorized service provider. 2. The token should not be expired. 3. The digital signature token should always be connected to your device while signing. Once the token is successfully connected and recognized on your device, you can proceed with the installation of the driver. Please note that the installation procedure will differ for every token. For the purpose of this video, let's go ahead with this installation procedure. To do this, double-click the drive. In the dialog box that appears, you can select the preferred language and click OK. Click Next to continue and click Next again. Then click Install. Once the installation is completed, select Finish. Once you have successfully installed the driver in your device, the token will be detected and the certificates will be displayed. Otherwise, open Token Manager on your device and click Login. In the login page, enter your user PIN and click OK. Once you're logged in, you will be able to view your digital signature certificates. In case you get an error message while signing the invoice, you can revisit the troubleshooting steps mentioned earlier in the video. And if you still have issues connecting to the digital signature token, feel free to contact our support team using the email address shown on the screen. That's it. We have reached the end of the video. Thanks for watching.